Hey there, ever wondered which currencies rule the world in 2025? You might be thinking the US dollar or the euro top the list, but trust me, the real winners will surprise you. Welcome to NeoFactx, the place where curiosity meets cool facts. Today I'm counting down the top 10 highest currencies in the world, ranked by their value against the US dollar. Ready? Let's jump in. Starting at number 10, we've got the Canadian dollar, also known as the loonie. It's reliable, it's stable, and right now one Canadian dollar gets you about 75 US cents. Not too shabby for our friends up north. Next, at number 9, is the mighty US dollar itself. It's everywhere, the most traded currency on earth. But surprisingly, it doesn't even crack the top 5 for actual value. Sliding in at number 8 is the Swiss franc. Known for its rock-solid banking and safe haven appeal, one Swiss franc equals around 1.12 US dollars. That's a lot of chocolate, cheese, and mountain views. At number 7, meet the euro. Used by over 300 million people, but in the currency Olympics, 1 euro scores roughly 1.14 US dollars. Respectable, but not the gold medalist. Number 6, the Cayman Islands dollar. It's from a tiny island but packs a punch. 1 Cayman dollar equals about 1.20 US dollars. Island life, but with some serious value. Number 5 is the Gibraltar pound. It's pegged to the British pound but stands all on its own. 1 Gibraltar pound gets you around 1.28 US dollars. Not bad for a currency you probably haven't seen in your wallet. Moving up, number 4 is the British pound sterling. It's the oldest currency still in use, and 1 pound equals about 1.30 US dollars in 2025, tradition with a touch of global swagger. Cracking the top 3, at number 3, is the Jordanian dinar. This one's all about careful policy, not oil. 1 Jordanian dinar equals roughly 1.41 US dollars. Did you guess that one? Number 2 goes to the Bahraini dinar. Even though Bahrain is tiny, their currency is mighty. 1 Bahraini dinar equals about 2.65 US dollars. That's some serious buying power. And finally, the champion, number 1, the Kuwaiti Dinar. It's been at the top for years, and in 2025, 1 Kuwaiti dinar scores over 3.25 US dollars. Oil, big reserves, and strict banking make it king of the currencies. Which currency surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. I rate every single one. If you like discovering these facts, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more cool content from NeoFactx. Thanks for watching. And remember, the real wealth is knowledge.